Discussing about the current account deficit. Currently, the current account deficit, according to figures, is an all-time high of 6.3%. Pakistan trade balances, although have improved in monthly figures, it is $1.9 billion in November 2019, as it has decreased from $2.0 billion from last month. Okay, now this is the summary that we have made, and this is according to BPM 6. Now, what is BPM 6? Whichever country is under IMF. Now, this is very technical, and if you guys put this in the exams, so it will be very helpful for you, and because it's a very technical thing. BPM 6 is the criteria that is set by IMF that how one should present their balance of payments. So this is the clear indication that how they should proceed. Even the income statements, even the balance sheet, even the country's balance of payments, that are international thing, it is governed by them. Okay, you can look at this: exports of goods, FOB, exports of services, trade services, balance of trade, primary goods, balance of primary income, this and that, journal, government expenditure, extra. Okay, now if you look at the economic challenge, another is dwindling stock market. This is the recent debate that the stock market has lost 50% of its sales, right? It was hovering around like 53,000 points, and then it fell to like 29,000 points. So even the stocks that were trading around like 500 rupees, they fell back to like 300 or 350. So this is the diminishing thing. That's why I've written 400, 500, 40 to 50% loss. And then many IPOs were put to hold. That's why Pakistan's economy is not growing. Then another is low ease of doing business. Although 28 points jump has been made, Pakistan reached to 108 point, where still a lot of effort is required. If you look in which areas the effort is required, look at this: getting electricity, a major concern. Then if you look at getting credit, another major concern, and this is trading across borders, another major concern. And these are the red areas. It clearly shows enforcing contracts and resolving insolvency. Many multinationals have left Pakistan due to this. Now another is low HDI ranking. Pakistan's ranking has worsened. It is the indicator where Pakistan's ranking has even worsened, of 152 out of 189 countries. Pakistan has a rating of 0.560. It comprises of what? Standard of living, health, education. And as per data, you can see the life expectancy at birth, expected years of schooling, mean years of schooling, and GNI per capita, that is at PPP, purchasing power parity. Pakistan's HDI value in 17 and 18. For 2018 is 0.560. Okay, if you look at the inequality HDI, it has fallen to 0.386. It means that it's a loss of 31.1% due to inequality in the distribution of HDI. Bangladesh and India have losses of 24% and 26%. So it has placed Pakistan at the bottom. If you look at the psyche of investors, the investors are going away from Pakistan, too cynical because the policies are not consistent. The major problem is that the government announces something, but the end result is totally different. But some improvements have been made. IMF has approved a second tranche of $452 billion, which shows that Pakistan's recovery is on the positive mood. Now, positive review of FATF, it shows that Pakistan is not going to be blacklisted, so it's another positive sign, and this is another positive sign for the investors. Building up human capital. Now we are looking at the solutions. We will be continuing with the solutions. It's a prerequisite to secure an economic future. We can invite NGOs, private sector, and local communities. Moreover, we will be bringing all the stakeholders, and we will be making a linkage between the academy and the industry. Then we will be making proper infrastructures, export processing zones under CPEC as well. Pakistan is the third largest milk producing nation in the world, yet it needs to import powdered milk. So where are those? Similarly for mango, and similarly we have to focus on export infrastructure in order to become competitive in the international market. We will be continue this thing in the next